Hello, it's like in here to show you the Ronald McDonald and the farm as we like. Coloring here, as you see, I went ahead and drew it, but as Ronald McDonald is like so far as it's like for the farm animal character is like for the duck, and then for the rooster, and then for the cow, and then you see is that I went ahead and drew is like so far as is for planting crops and stuff like that. It's like for we say for like the lettuce and then tomato, and along with the farmland, and then along with the Happy Meal is like if every Happy Meal would come with a toy, then maybe something that the kid can play with in the sandbox or something. But it's like you got to have it. It's like for a toy tractor. It's like you have it. A kid can get a toy tractor to where they could position it in a place. It's like where they can kind of like be able to push the tractor around, and then position it, and then for it to go to like the left or the right. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is be working with is the red marker, and along with the blue marker, along with the light green marker. It's like the red, white, and then green, and of course it's like very similar to like the American flag colors, as long as like you say is which call I think the Spain flag color is kind of like with similar colors, but Spain and say Japan or whatever, but right here is like if you were to be farming, that you get right here is like you get the tractor going, and you get the tractor is like if you be like what you call pushing the tractor is like so far as plant. It's like that if you wanted to plant maybe let's say a flower. It's like if you wanted to plant some flowers like right here. It's like you got some flowers, and then along right here is like see here you can draw some leaves. It's like you draw a few leaves about right here. And then after that, after you get done with the leaves, and then add a little bit see here, more red right here. But from there, and then go ahead and work with the blue. It's like if you wanted to add, it's like so far as maybe a few blueberries or something like that. It's like you'll have a spot. It's like kind of like if you say kind of like in the garden. If you were to have a garden, or have a farm to where you would have like so many acres of land to where you want to farm, that if you wanted to like to kind of get you an idea about if you were to want to work with farm machinery equipment later on, that I feel it's like if you would just kind of like getting at that kind of hobby of drawing out what you like, maybe like the farm, what you would like to grow if you had like that certain land and that certain tools to where if you wanted to farm and grow something. But so far as that, and then it's like you got say these would be like you got the flowers, and along with maybe a few strawberries or something like that, strawberries or raspberries. But then so far as and then the corn crops, it's like the corn crops, which it's like you grow the corn crops. But you got the corn crops, and then along with that maybe it's like this, like along with with red. It's like not too many apple trees or anything like that, but more like relish, you see here onions or anything like that, anything you can maybe think of that grows on the farm. But have it to where a kid can get like a little toy tractor where they can push around, like have fun with it. And other than that, than like any other of the farming gardening tools or whatever. But anything such as a wagon or something like that, I don't think any of that would probably come in a Happy Meal. But if anything, maybe a little toy tractor. But So far as for the duck, it's like for the farm animals, you got the duck and then the rooster. It's like, you know, quack, quack, quack. It's like, so far the song goes, is like an old McDonald had a farm, an E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a duck, and then E-I-E-I-O, and then quack, 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 and quack, quack there, and he had a quack, and he had a quack, quack, and then along with the cow, it's like and old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and then on his farm, you know, he had a cow, and E-I-E-I-O, along with moo moo here and a moo moo there. But so far as like with the cow, as I went ahead and drew right here, it's like a picture, it's like a cow, which kind of looks like a pig, but then the way I went ahead and drew the front part of it along with the mouth is that and drew it right there. That you know, included that it's like you got the nose right here and along with the spots. But so far as with the gardening right here, is that you gardening, you got the little bit of part right here for where the soil is sprouted out. You got to plant the seed right here, and then along with the grows of the root. So you got the root right here, and along with the soil, and then along right here is where that front petal goes. Like, you know, you'll be able to, it's like if you were to plant like a flower right there, on any type of, let's say that, any type of crop. But and then it grows on and on, and it's like, and it continues to sprout. And then after that, and then go ahead and after that, and then go ahead and work with the blue here. And then it's like, you know, so far as with the tomato, it's like you have it to where it grows about right here, and then you have all this other acre right here, farmland, which whenever it rains is like for a rain cloud. Is that when it rains, that the farm area gets all nice and moist for whenever it rains. And then after it rains, and then the crop starts sprouting. Like, kind of looks like grass. Your crop, you maybe make it thicker here, as if, you know, maybe a few corn plants will be growing there, and then after that, and then along with maybe you know, a few strawberries or something, or flowers, something like that, whatever, you know, want to grow on a farm. But so far as a farm as we like, it's like so far as Ronald McDonald, it's like like this, like, and you know, so far as with the happy face, it's like in the Happy Meal, and along with the farm animals, as like in old McDonald had a farm in E-I-E-I-O, as like in Ronald McDonald and Farm As We Like coloring.